So, but this time, like, I'm at a different beach, so yeah. Hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? I literally haven't went live in like so long. Like, tonight I'm literally gonna edit the video. I don't know how long the vlog is gonna be, but yeah. Hi guys. I literally feel like a Barbie right now. Like, wait till you see the thumbnail in my video. If you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe, click the notification bell. Yeah, because I really need it. But yeah guys, I'm at a pier in Pompano Beach, Florida, and yeah, it's really nice. Maybe I should turn this way for the sun. But yeah. Like, I have my beach towel with me. You know what I need? Well, not really need, but what I want is like different colors of swimsuits like this. So I think I'm probably gonna one day shop on Shein. But I don't know how accurate their swimsuits are for my type of body. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if they have like different colors. Cause you know, I could just, you know, maybe one day wear a yellow swimsuit one day, or wear a green one. So yeah, I think I should go online and see if they have any like this. So yeah guys, I feel so cute. I feel so cute. Ah! Yes. So such a beautiful day, man. Like, I literally, oh my goodness, how do I do this, guys? Like, I literally don't be on social media anymore, because I don't know, I'm trying to focus on my craft, like focus on like my videos. I'm really trying to push myself out there as a content creator. My channel is growing. It's growing, but it's not growing at the pace I want it. Yeah, I'm trying to reach like 1,000 within a couple months. So I mean, I'm close to 500. I guess at 500 it's gonna lock certain features, but not everything. So yeah. But guys, I feel so nice. How has your day been going? It's good. Pretty chilled. I just maybe later, within an hour or so, I'm gonna head home and then edit this video. So yeah, my YouTube channel should be in my link in my bio. It should be. So just subscribe and click the notification bell on the video. So yeah, I'm trying to change things around, and you know, yeah, I want to be a content creator. And honestly, I should have started like years ago, but I mean, it's not an excuse now. Like, I mean, I'm doing it now. So guys, look at the sun. The sun is literally beaming. Like, I went in the water earlier today, and guys, that water was just not it. Like, the sun was just coming out, man. Like, I don't know, but yeah. But you guys need to come out here, for real. You need to come out here. Yeah. Guys, I think I see someone that I know, but whatever. But yeah guys, I'm feeling this. I'm really feeling this energy right now, like this whole vibe. But yeah, I know, this is just like what I do, like, you know, when I'm bored. So yeah, but I'm loving it here. But yeah guys, so I'm probably gonna go home soon, try to edit the heck out of this video, man. But you guys, I feel so cute right now, like, period. Yeah. Yeah, let me see this thing. How does this work? Let me see how this thing works, man. You guys, I wanted to private this video, man, but there's no way I could private it, so natural. Yeah, I don't know, I'm about to probably get out of here. I'm probably gonna get out here soon, but yeah, I look cute. Yeah, I'm about to take a walk. Oh my gosh. I know, I don't know if my social media has like changed, because there's so much features on here that I don't even know how to use anymore, so. I'm feeling the sun is giving, it's giving so much. Screenshot these, period. Yeah. Yo, there's so much people. This is the thing, like, I get like high anxiety, bro, like high anxiety. I'm gonna show you guys the water again. Shoot, I don't want to drop my phone in the water.